Okay, this is taking an awkwardly long amount of time. Like, I'm starting to think my computer just gave up on me. Oh my gosh, guys, this game is really hard. I don't know if I'm gonna complete it. Oh my god, why is it not? Oh no, 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 no. No, oh come on. Oh no, this is too hard, guys. I don't know. Oh no, I'm failing. Oh no, I don't wanna fail. Oh no, 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 no. Guys, I made a really hard game. Look at this. I will never be able to reach it. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Come on, come on, come on. Oh no, that was so close, guys. Yo guys, it's episode with NicketBro here, and today we are here, but we're not talking about Minecraft and stuff like that. Today we are doing something really, really different. How different, you may say? Well, a little bit too different, because today, instead of creating a map or a game in Minecraft, we're gonna create a map or a game inside an actual, computer. And this is what I've created. I created some other stuff. This was my first experiment. Basically, I am this little cube whatever thing, and I can control him with my arrow keys or with WASD, and I have to reach the blue thing, and then I get reset. Yeah, if I touch the wall, I still get reset, so nothing really changes. But yeah, yesterday, if you've been following me on Discord, you may have noticed that my video was a little bit late. And you may say, Nico, why was that? Well, because I was just experimenting with Unity. And I really wanted to create a game. Okay, it took me a while. I had to follow a lot of tutorials. Now, this video is not going to be a tutorial about Unity, okay? If you want to get started on making games, by the way, the program that I'm using is Unity. You have to watch other videos. I'm going to link some videos in the description if you want to get started on this. But don't follow me, because, this is literally the first time I ever, do something on Unity. I literally just started learning it the day before yesterday, I think. So I'm really new to this stuff. I'm not in the condition to do tutorials. So the one that I worked on yesterday was called Maze Run, and now it's gonna load. And it's basically a Sokoban. You may say, Nico, why is it called Maze Run? Because I didn't know what I was doing. But then I realized, well, I could just make a Sokoban. And if you don't know what a Sokoban is, it's a pretty popular style of puzzle. I don't even know if you spell it like that, but I'm sure you know it. Basically, you are this green cube thing, and you have to move these things, as you can see, onto the yellow thing. Yeah, that's a really good explanation right here of the entire game. Yeah, but basically, as you can see, the green player is me, and all of the textures that you see are done by me, but, naturally, they're not really, it's a little bit pixel arty, but as you can see, if we put the blocks in the correct position, they're gonna turn yellow, and if we do this, we did it. And if you go in the console, it's also gonna say you won here. I don't know if you can see it. So yeah, pretty dope. And now this is what I created yesterday, and today I was trying to create something else, and this is the game that I created today. So I wanted to do like a Conquest game, a Conquer game, so a mix between Conquer and Quest, so I called it Conquest. I'm so good at making games. But this game is kinda, raw. It's not a real puzzle, it's just something weird, okay? As you can see, this is a multiplayer game, we could say, because as you can see, we have this and this. As you can see, I can control both of the players. Now, when the turn is blue, I cannot control the red player. As you can see, I'm pressing on my keys, but I cannot control it. So I can control one player at a time, so as you can see, like this. And basically, what you need to do is try to eat the other player. So as you can see, if I eat it, it's gonna say blue won, and then it's gonna reset. But if the other player eats the other player, then it's gonna say the other guy won. Now, to make it a little bit more interesting, if you press space while you move, you're gonna move 2 blocks like this, and so then we can do red one, as you can see. So okay, all of these games are really fun, and I had so much fun mapping them. I mean, not mapping them, creating them. But I'm gonna show you how they work. Now, I don't know which one I should show you first. I will show you the easiest one first. So the way Unity actually does all of the stuff, it actually divides the graphic from the scripts. So the scripts are like pieces of code that you can put inside an element, and the graphic is basically you placing elements around, as you can see, like this. So as you can see, every single element that you see here is a game object, okay? So if any of you actually know Unity and you are like experts at it, please don't judge me, okay? Because I've been doing a lot of bad stuff into this project. Like, I'm not doing this professionally. Look at all of these elements. These are all game objects. I think there is a way to put them all in one and not having to do all of this mess. But, I'm not an expert at this. And basically, this is the player. And as you can see, these are the components that the player has. This is the box collider. So basically, he has a hitbox. And as you can see, it's this green thing. The hitbox is like this little green thing. You cannot see it because the player is green. Bad idea, making the player green. But as you can see, that's the hitbox. Pretty simple because it's just a square. Then we have the rigid body that is actually, gives it like gravity. But we don't need gravity because, as you can see, I put it to 0. If we were to put it to 1, the block would just fall. As you can see, let's see, does it fall? Does it fall? And I hope it falls. Come on, game, you have to load. Come on, everyone is waiting. Yeah, the first time you load the game, it takes a while to load. Maybe it's just me that I'm, you know, loading a lot of resources uselessly, because, you know, I can make the game a lot easier, but, you know, that's something that happens. Okay, this is taking an awkwardly long amount of time. Like, I'm starting to think my computer just gave up on me. Come on, please. You cannot do this to me. Oh, come on, dude. Please load. Please, dude, please. Unity? Oh, wait. The game is loaded. It's just right here. No, wait, never mind. It's not. This is, you know, great.
3 weeks later.
Oh, finally loaded. Oh my gosh, it took like ages. But as you can see, the cube is slowly going down. Now I can move it and let it go up. But as you can see, it will slowly still go down. So this is really fun. But I don't need gravity in this game. Thank you so much. Please no. Okay, where is the gravity? Right here. Boom. Now it's 0. Okay, so as you can see, every single entity, I mean every single game object, and a game object is this, or this, has a script. I mean not every single, I mean just the ones that I want to have a script. In this case, only the player has a script. So this is the player script. The script is basically some code, okay? Some code that gets executed onto that player, that game object. So as you can see now, we can open our script with whatever program we want. I'm using this one because it's really cool. It does a really good autocomplete and everything. It's called the Rider. But yeah, basically this is the script, and you know, it seems really hard to understand, but you know, after you get a little bit in touch with all of the stuff that happens, it's not that hard. So do you see this code right here? As you can see, it says on trigger stay. So this code is gonna execute only if you are, you know, colliding with something. And then I basically detect if the object you are colliding with has the tag wall, and if he has, then I'm just gonna reload the level with this code right here. And instead, if the object has the tag end, he's gonna do the exact same thing. Now, when I make this game a little bit better, I'm gonna do a different scene, and it's gonna go to the next level. So instead of loading the same level, I'm gonna do application load level at example 2. I think this is how it works. No, that's not how it works. I think you just have to put 2 here, right? Yeah, that's how it works, but still, because I didn't do a level 2, it's not going to the level 2. So you may say, how did you do the movement? Okay, no, that's not that hard. So basically what I need is to take the rigid body, as you can see, the rigid body is basically the physics of the game object. And then I take the component of the rigid body, meaning that I link the variable RB to the rigid body of the player. And then once I've done this, it's really simple. I can just do RB move position and put the original position plus you know, the position I want, and then I can basically move it everywhere. And then right here, it's actually pretty simple. I just, you know, you may say, what is this variable? Move velocity. This variable is this. Basically, it takes the move input and it multiplies it by the speed. And the speed is something that I can set. As you can see, if we go back on Unity, here, if we go right on the player, come on, Unity, load, please. Why do you lag when I record? Come on, seriously, dude. When I'm not recording, you're so fast. Why do you have to show that my computer is slow just right now? Come on, dude. I have a love-hate relationship with Unity, seriously. It's just been 3 days, and I really have feelings with a program. Okay, finally loaded. And now, as you can see, if we go on our script, we can adjust the speed, because basically this variable, speed, is public. So this means that I can adjust it from here too. So the speed is something that I can set whenever I want. But what actually matters is the move input that basically takes the axis horizontal and the axis vertical. What this means is basically that if I'm pressing like the left key, the axis is gonna go -1. If I'm pressing the right key, the axis is gonna go +1. So I take this axis and then I put it inside of, where is it? Of here. So from the original position, I add 1 or -1, or 1 at the top, we may say 1 at the y-axis, or -1 at the y-axis, and so like that I can move it depending on the keys I'm pressing. This, you know, little thing right here is something that is already into Unity. Like if I just do get axis row, it just gives me -1 or 1 depending on what keys I pressed, which is actually really good, because you know I can simply do the movement with just two little lines of code, and then I just multiply it by the speed just in case I want a different speed. So yeah, this is all the code that's behind it, like literally nothing. Like it's something really simple. There are also some sound effects, but they're really bugged because when I reset the room, the sound effects reset also, so you cannot hear them. So I need to fix that, but you know what I mean. I will go and fix it later. But yeah, this is all I wanted to show you for today. If you really want more videos like this of me actually coding games and stuff like that, don't expect me to do tutorials because you know I'm not good at this. Like it took me just 1 hour just to get this game set. But yeah, if you want more funny videos about me failing at making basic coding stuff, you can also subscribe and stuff like that. And if you leave a like, I'm gonna know and I'm gonna do more. That said, don't worry about it. Minecraft videos are gonna be returning tomorrow. I just wanted to show you what I was working on. And you know, if you guys like this new content, it's always better. Now let's try if I'm good enough to complete this game. Oh my gosh, guys, this game is really hard. I don't know if I'm gonna complete it. Oh my god, why is it? Oh no, 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 no. No, oh come on. Oh no, this is too hard, guys. I don't know. Oh no, I'm failing. Oh no, I don't wanna fail. Oh no, 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 no. Guys, I made a really hard game. Look at this. I will never be able to reach it. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Come on, come on, come on. Oh no, that was so close, guys. But yeah, anyway, apart from jokes, I hope you really enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one of... I don't even... Unity, yeah.